Scalping versus swing trading, what's the difference? I personally took hundreds of trades on both trading styles, and let me explain to you the difference between both of them. Scalping, it is when you take really fast trades, sometimes between seconds to minutes. Rarely it could be hours. Scalping, it is when you take trades inside a trading session. And also scalping, it is a special style when you take trades based on order flow. Because without order flow, honestly, it's super hard to trade scalping, because based on order flow, you can see where significant volume were traded, and you can use that volume as a powerful support resistance. For scalping, accuracy is essential. Here a few examples for you of trades that my team took long on usual. It is 1 minute chart, short on feeder, also 1 minute chart, and like 5 minute long on near. What is the most positive side of scalping? First, the most positive, it is you can take quite a lot of trades per session and close it and go home without any open trades and think zero about trades. Those of you who quite long enough in trading, especially if you trade crypto, you know what it is to take trade and keep it through night and worrying about it opening. When you wake up, first what you do, you open your phone, look if your trade played out or not. Even example for you, my yesterday's trading session, where I made beautiful nearly 1,000 USD, and honestly after that I close trades, I go home to go to my wife, my child, and we spend time together. And what would be after? Will Trump start a war with someone? World would stop. I don't care, because I have zero exposure. But with the most beautiful part, there are also quite a lot of negative sides. First negative sides, everything happens really fast. You must take fast decisions. Sometimes it takes seconds to take a decision, which means if you don't have a strategy, it's so easy to make a lot of mistakes and lose more money. Also, you need quite a lot of practice to have a clear strategy and understand where to use it, where to implement it. In this example of a trade that I took by trading NASDAQ index, it was scalp. There was a local limit order. You can see there was this beautiful volume profile, local limit order, and here I executed it on micro contract. Before I have a look how many also long trades I took it, and have a look how price moved into my favor. After that, you can see I start closing part of position. I move my first order to close it to book some profit. And after that, price consolidate. You can see I did nothing, because I saw a new limit order that appeared, and I set stop loss below this new limit order. And eventually everything went really awesome. Price moved into my favor, and you can see I closed additional order. After that, I closed third part, and eventually price hit my full target. Before another significant limit order, I close it. Scalping, that it is. You must see all of this stuff. Without clear order flow, it's really difficult to take it. What about swing trading? What's a swing trading? It is when you compare to scalping, you can keep your trade for hours, days, sometimes even weeks. Because your main goal is to take a right move, not because you take a trade based on some time. Example like this one, a swing trade on Ethereum. I open a trade 9:42 p.m. my time and close it 8:21 p.m. First part closed. Entire position I closed within 1 day. 12, 13. You can see entire day I kept this position. Another example of another swing trade that I hold for 24th. On a crypto, I like more about swing trades, because crypto have no session separation, and often you can take trade at really awesome place and keep it because there is no reason to close it. What's the most positive side of swing trading? First, you pay less commissions, because less trades, wider stop losses means lower position size, you have lower commissions. Also, you can do swing trading also even if you have a job or a business, because scalping, it is 100% focus. you cannot scalp if you do anything else. Honestly, sometimes when I talk to someone, for me it's difficult to scalp, not even to have another job or responsibility. Also on scalping you can trade way bigger volume, because even on Ethereum you can take trades like 10 millions of positions, and often when you take less trades, emotionally it is better for you. What is negative side of swing trading? Let's discuss it. Before I invite you to join our education program. At this moment you can see result of our students. We spent years to develop strategies for scalping, for swing trading, especially for crypto and indexes, CME indexes, and you can grab our experience and start making money, 1,000, 10,000, 5,000 per session as we do. What's negative sides of swing trading? Sometimes you need to wait for long to take a trade. Because honestly, for many beginners especially, it's difficult to wait while new situation appears. Here an example for you on Solana. When I waited to take short, price reached key zone. It was on Sunday, and when price opened, honestly I waited to take short trade in a case of again retest key level high, and that didn't happen. And after that you sit without a position additional week. What should you choose, especially if you are a beginner? For every beginner, especially if you have free time, I highly advise you to start with scalping. Main advantages. First, you will see quite a lot of order flow stuff. You will see how significant orders place. You will see how stop loss hunt looks like. You will see absorption, all of the stuff. Like for you to understand better about the market, scalping really cool stuff. Plus, because of taking quite a lot of trades, you will grab that experience way faster. And right now, what I advise you to do, best what you can do is to start from some other's experience. And at this moment I prepared for you a video lesson about my trades that I took based on scalping strategy, based on scalping approach, and for you it would be good start to understand it. And if you like, if you enjoy, you can join us and we will help you to start properly. Have a good day. Bye.